Hi guys, today I'm sharing my everyday chai recipe. So I usually make a batch and I use it over the next 3 to 4 days. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I drink it for breakfast and sometimes I drink it in the afternoon, or I would add some ice to it and drink it as well. A little fun fact about me, I actually grew up in India where we drink chai every day and it's just a part of life. I remember after school, me and my friends would go to the chai shop around the corner and we would just drink chai and hang out. Now, masala chai doesn't need to be complicated. A lot of people think you need like 10 different spices to get the right flavor. But actually, in most households, we use two main ingredients, which is cardamom and ginger, and it turns out amazing. So I want to share this recipe with you guys. Let's get to it. If you have a pestle mortar, use it to smash and crush your ginger. We're also going to smash and crush our green cardamom, or elaichi as it's called in India. Don't worry if you don't have a pestle mortar, you can still smash and crush using the flat side of your knife like so. I'm using black tea from an Indian brand called Brook Bond. And this is what my mom uses back in India. This is the box for tea bags, but they also come in granule form like this. So I will add an Amazon link to this tea in the description below, but it's much cheaper if you just buy it from your Indian grocer if there is one near you. For each cup of water, I'm going to add a tablespoon of tea. Today we're adding 4 tablespoons of tea. And to that, we're going to add our ginger and cardamom, and then pour in 4 cups of water. Turn your stove on to medium heat and bring the tea to a gentle boil. It'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it does that, let it simmer for 2 minutes and then add in 1 3/4 cups of milk. Give it a quick stir and then let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Then add your sugar. Give it a stir to make sure it's all dissolved. Then turn off the heat and your chai is ready. So back in India, we would have afternoon tea with these milk biscuits by Parle G. And I kid you not, the packaging hasn't changed in decades. So what we would do is take these biscuits, dip it in the chai, and eat them. And it tastes delicious. To me, it just tastes like childhood. It's full of nostalgia. So if you have any chai left over, you can pour it into a container and keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. On hotter days, I like drinking my chai straight out of the fridge with some ice in it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. If you guys try it, please comment in the section below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!